All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's word of the day. Myth. 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 Yeah, myth. Let's have a look. Myth. Ah, perfect. Myth. 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 Yeah, very good. Yeah, myth. A series of events that are considered to be not true or not happened. Yeah, so that is an old myth, like a story or legend. A story, a legend. Ooh, yeah. So dragons are dragons are mythical creatures. They don't exist. That myth is very old. I know an old English myth, a story. He told me a myth about a dragon, for example. She likes to learn about myths from different times in history. Yeah. These ancient Greeks had a lot of myths and stories and things that don't exist. These myths were shared and known by a lot of people. In ancient times, people thought these myths were true. Yeah. They came up with a lot of myths. Yeah, so those old societies invented a lot of myths and stories to explain the world. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. I'm reading some myths in this book. So when we read myths, we can understand more about humans and psychology. Yeah, we understand more abstract concepts of mankind and psychology in incentives and motives. Yeah. You will have to study these myths soon. So I like reading these myths because I can learn about humans, but also the writing styles that they use. Yeah, these myths are myths can be used to explain the human experience. Yeah. How cool is that? But there are a lot of mythical creatures, like unicorns. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So unicorns, dragons, mermaids, fairies. Mermaid, fairy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorer? So, can you use myth in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.